Hi there, my name is Marybeth Angiolelli, and I wanted to come in here today and share with you what just came in my mailbox. I just came back from checking my mail today, and I had another Priority Mail Express envelope. So let me just show you exactly what this looks like, and I've covered up the sender information for privacy purposes, okay? But you can clearly see it's addressed to me. My address is here, and all of the postal information is right over here. Okay, so there's my name, Marybeth Angiolelli, my mailing address, and all of the postal information right here. Okay, so let me just show you this, okay, for complete transparency purposes. And inside, I will share with you exactly what came in this envelope right here. All right, so we have, first off, a money order, and again I have covered up the sender information for privacy purposes, but you can clearly see right here my information is right here on the side right here. Okay, there's my name, Marybeth Angiolelli, and my address. Here's the postal numbers and the information, and $1,000, folks, right here, folks. Another money order payable to me. Right here's my information for $1,000. Okay, and then we have the second money order, which is the admin payment right here. Okay, and let me share that with you. It's in the dollar amount of $350. Here's all of the postal information right here. And our current admin fee is $299. This particular new member elected to go with rush shipping, which is an additional $50 to ensure that he gets his marketing kit as quickly as possible. So he decided to pay for expedited shipping. Okay, so we do have that option available. And then we have our stamps right here, right from the post office. Okay, here's the envelope, the postal envelope, and right here is all of the stamps. Okay, so with each and every order, we also receive stamps. So I will be shipping off the admin portion of this order today, as I'm going to be heading out to the post office so that my new team member can get started as quickly as possible. Now, what I have done, once again, okay, there you go. You can see that for yourself, the admin and my payment right here. Okay, there you go. What I've done is I put all the information and details below in the description of this video. The link to my website, my contact information, and the specific getting started instructions. Okay, you have any questions, folks, text or call me. That's the best way to reach me. Shoot me a text or give me a call. That's my personal cell below today, 330-787-1795. I will be more than happy to speak to you, answer all of your questions, and help you to get started with I Keep It All, where we get to keep all of the money, folks. With every order that we receive payments for in the amount of $1,000, folks. This just makes for a great mailbox money day, no doubt about it. This program has truly been nothing but a blessing for me, for my family, and so many other members of I Keep It All. And you can experience this exact same thing, folks. Imagine going to your mailbox, waking up, knowing that you have, $1,000 money order waiting for you, $1,000 payment. Folks, it just brightens up your day in such a great way. I can't even explain it. It's wonderful. So go ahead, go to my website, review all the information. You'll be redirected to the main website where you'll see a lot of information about this amazing program, the creator of this program, and the success and testimonials of so many new members. Folks, this is the real deal, and you can experience this, can become your new reality too, folks. So just wanted to share with you what came in the mail today. More continued proof. I Keep It All is real. It works. I'm here to help you. Let's make this happen. We are officially now in the busy season. Direct mail order boom season is here. Make it a great day, and I'll see you soon on another video for I Keep It All. Thank you. Bye-bye.